Hi, my name is Jeff Pierre, founder of the Computer Service Center. We've been in business since 2005 and we've been ranked Quincy's #1 trusted computer repair facility. Why are we Quincy's #1 trusted computer repair facility? It's because of our tech advantage, the moral cornerstone behind our repair processes. T standing for trust, E standing for efficiency, C standing for cost effectiveness, and H standing for honesty. You know you've left your computer in the right hands. If you need computer assistance, come and see us at the center, where it's click, done.